let's say I've been having a bunch of bad habits and it's not serving me and I want to make a change. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm new, and I just feel stuck. I feel like I don't have, the confidence, the energy, the direction, the clarity. I'm just stuck. What would be the first thing you would do with me?
The simplest shit that every culture has done since the dawn of time. Every culture since the dawn of time to finding themselves and deep discovery of self, the universe, and everything. It was solitude. It was long enduring treks, and it was fasting. Every culture's done that since day fucking one.
All right, hold on. Say 'em again.
So solitude, spending time with yourself in the morning or
Okay.
whenever. So solitude. And
Long
then
and
long enduring treks, they would go on just these fucking voyages basically on foot, from one fucking spot to another. And then fasting. So I mean, fasting is everyone knows that. Like Gandhi fasts in front of the religious altar for fucking 3 months and just turns into a bag of bones and shit like that. Like people do that shit to find themselves and get closer to the pain of the world, get closer to creation, get closer to God, whatever their religious background is. So, but the main thing is these are the gateways. Like since every culture has done this, but I just did it in prison because I was getting up early because I was part of the program in prison. So I'd be up at 2:45. I've been up at 2:45 every morning without fail for 14 years. So I've done that for 14 fucking years, 2:45, never missed once. That's like the cornerstone of the first win I'm going to get. But I didn't realize that by getting up at 2:45, I was writing messages to deliver to the world at 3:40 a.m. for the last 14 years. And then I researched more and I realized that 3:40 a.m. has power behind it. That's like the time you're most aligned with your purpose of any time of day. So you can look that up from Saguru and other people. Just look up the power of 3:40 a.m. I didn't realize I was doing this till like last year when I'm still in front of my gym that opens at 4, writing my morning post at 3:40 a.m. I didn't even know this shit until I started to do research. And I'm like, God damn, I'm just straight up aligned with my purpose. And then I just started to teach it. And if the thing is, the only thing that separates us is habits. So if it works for me and I get to a certain point, it'll work for you. People just think they're so fucking special that it can't work for them. They're so specially fucked up or something. It's like, no, you just have to really put your heart in these steps. Even if your goals for the day, I'm like, walk down to the fucking bay, throw a penny in the fucking bay, walk up to 7-Eleven, high five the bitch behind the counter, go to this other place and buy a fucking garlic bread. If every day you did those 3 things, there'd be times you didn't want to fucking do them. And then when you made yourself do them each day, you would overcome that bitch response inside, the negotiation with self that you don't want to do stuff. So now I've created a system that is a lot of stuff you're not going to want to do, that'll override that internal bitch, that'll make you better in every way because it's not throwing a penny in the fucking lake. It's not high-fiving the chick. It's actual macronutrients that get you ripped that you hit every day. It's actual wake-up time that is aligned with every spiritual system saying 3:40 is the time. It's actually the fucking, the workout that raises your rate of vibration. I mean, the hypertrophy workout that builds the correct body, the macronutrients that take the fat off and build the muscle and give you that internal fucking feeling when you're fasting. Because when you fight, when you're hungry, you fight. And then obviously the solitude. But these are steps these are the highest of steps that'll build you that are hard to do every day. And if you stick to them, you will break down the negotiations and have a new set of core beliefs that are actually, that are running synchronistically with everything you want to be. Because no one wants to wake up fatter, more broke, and fucking dumber and less woke. I mean, come on, they don't. That's what happens when you don't plan.